Hi, this is Mike from Curly Willow Gallery. I'm offering you a supplemental video to step one of our plans that we have on our site. This is plans for an 8-foot dog crate. It's 8 foot long by 40 inches tall by 24 inches deep. These are the plans and they are available on our site. At this point I have just finished cutting all the boards for step one, which is all the plywood. This is all the plywood that you're going to use for this dog crate. And so as you can see, we have the back over here. It's 8 foot long by 40 inches tall. Well, actually it is 94.5 inches long by 38.5 inches tall. But you can see that in the site. And then this is the floor. This is going to be the floor. These are all the baseboards for the floor. As you can see, I've already pre-cut all of the pocket holes for that. And the reason I use pocket holes for this is so that when we attach them to the floor, the screws will go into it and will not penetrate the top of the floor, which is important for the middle boards. If you just go, you can go through the floor into the board if you don't have a pocket hole jig, but then you will have screws showing on the floor and you'll probably want to cover them up. Then we have the ceiling over here, the sidewall, and the shelf. It's very important that the ceiling, the sidewall, the shelf, and the floor are all exactly the same depth. To do that, you will need to do it on a table saw. It's very difficult to cut a 4 by 8 foot sheet on a table saw. I do not recommend it. So what I do is I pre-cut everything a little bit large with my skill saw, and after that I will set my table saw to the correct depth and I run everything through it so that it is all exactly 23 and 7/8 inch deep. So at this point I'm going to simply take my drill and my 1 1/4 inch Craig hole bits, screws, and I'm going to attach the baseboard to the floor. And after I attach the baseboard to the floor, I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to lay it against the back, and I'm going to attach it to the back, and then I will add the side wall, and then the ceiling, and then the shelf. So that's it.